Get ready to step into tomorrow. The kitchen is evolving, becoming smarter, bolder, and more beautiful than ever before. We're talking about spaces that aren't just for cooking, but for living, connecting, and thriving. 2025 is bringing revolutionary changes right into the heart of your home. Forget everything you thought you knew about kitchen design. The future is here, and it's absolutely stunning. Imagine appliances that anticipate your needs. Smart refrigerators tracking inventory and suggesting recipes are just the beginning. We're seeing integrated charging stations and voice-activated everything. Think touchless faucets, induction cooktops with built-in sensors, and ovens that cook meals perfectly with zero guesswork. Your kitchen is becoming your most intuitive assistant. It's all about seamless integration and effortless living. Say goodbye to bland. 2025 is embracing vibrant, personality-packed palettes. Deep emerald greens, rich sapphire blues, and even daring terracotta are making waves. Accent walls, colorful cabinetry, and unexpected pops of color are transforming spaces. It's about creating a kitchen that truly reflects your unique style and energy. Be brave, be bold, be you. Eco-conscious design is no longer a niche. It's essential. We're seeing incredible innovation in recycled materials, low-impact finishes, and energy-efficient appliances. It's style with a conscience. Think countertops made from recycled glass, cabinetry from reclaimed wood, and smart systems that minimize waste. Building your dream kitchen can also mean building a better future. Sustainability is the ultimate luxury. These aren't just fleeting fads. They're shifts towards more functional, personalized, and responsible spaces. Your 2025 kitchen will be a hub of innovation, creativity, and connection. It's where technology meets artistry and sustainability meets luxury. Embrace the future. Whether you're renovating, building, or just dreaming, these trends offer endless inspiration. Get ready to create a kitchen that's not just a room, but an experience. The dream kitchen of 2025 is waiting for you.